Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where we break down the latest cars with real talk, real excitement, and everything you need to know before anyone else. If you love bold designs, smart interiors, and performance that surprises even seasoned drivers, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because today we are diving into something big. The all-new next-generation 2026 Audi Q3 is officially unveiled, and honestly, it shocks everyone by how far Audi has pushed this compact luxury SUV. At first glance, the design feels completely reborn. The front fascia looks wider and more aggressive, with a sharper single-frame grille, redesigned LED matrix headlights, and a stronger road presence that makes it feel more premium than ever. The body lines are cleaner yet bolder, giving the Q3 a sporty stance that almost feels like it wants to race, even while standing still. Audi is offering a fresh range of colors, including metallic blues, deep grays, pearl whites, and bold reds, all designed to highlight the sculpted surfaces and athletic proportions. Under the hood, the 2026 Audi Q3 proves why it is being called the king of midsize performance in its class. Audi has refined its turbocharged engine lineup, delivering smoother power delivery with quicker acceleration. The top variants feel almost illegally fast for a compact SUV, launching confidently and overtaking effortlessly. The improved quattro all-wheel drive system adds extra grip and stability, especially during hard acceleration or sharp cornering. Despite the performance boost, the ride remains impressively smooth, making it perfect for daily driving as well as spirited weekend runs. Step inside, and the interior is where the new Q3 truly feels sophisticated. Audi has focused heavily on premium materials, cleaner design, and advanced technology. The dashboard is more driver-focused, featuring a large digital instrument cluster and an upgraded infotainment screen with faster response and sharper graphics. Ambient lighting sets the mood at night, while high-quality leather, soft touch surfaces, and brushed metal accents give the cabin a true luxury feel. Seating comfort has been improved, with better support for long drives and increased legroom for both front and rear passengers. In terms of facilities, the 2026 Audi Q3 comes packed with features that make everyday life easier and safer. You get advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Connectivity is seamless with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, power-adjustable seats, and a hands-free power tailgate add to the overall premium experience. Storage space is practical, making it suitable for families, road trips, or urban lifestyles. Now let's talk about upgrades, because Audi didn't hold back. The suspension has been retuned for better comfort without sacrificing handling. Steering feels more precise, braking performance is stronger, and overall refinement is noticeably improved. Fuel efficiency has also seen gains, making this performance-focused SUV more economical than before. When it comes to price, the 2026 Audi Q3 is expected to start around $40,000 for the base variant, with higher trims and performance-focused versions going up to around $50,000 depending on options and market. Considering the design, technology, performance, and luxury it offers, the price feels justified and competitive in its segment. So, is the new 2026 Audi Q3 worth the hype? With its bold new design, sophisticated interior, smooth yet shockingly fast performance, and a long list of modern facilities, it definitely makes a strong case. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, this is Ride Reviews, where the next ride is always just a click away.